Hello, David Roger, General Counsel for Las Vegas Police Protective Association. I want to talk to you about AB 101. It is a law that takes effect October of this year, and this legislation may not sound terribly bad to you, but I think we will see this expand in future legislative sessions. And so this legislation applies to jailhouse informants, and a jailhouse informant is a person who has a communication with a defendant, and law enforcement and the district attorney's office intends to use that statement against a criminal defendant. And so it doesn't apply to all the other informants that you use on a daily basis or presumably use on a daily basis. It just deals with the jailhouse informants, people who have communications with the defendant or a criminal defendant while in custody. And this bill requires the district attorney's office to maintain their own database, not Metro's database, not Henderson, not North Las Vegas, but they have to maintain a database of jailhouse informants. And you can see where the problems occur. Criminal defendants, civil rights lawyers may issue subpoenas to the district attorney's office to disclose informants. And so there's just a whole slew of issues that will arise. And this bill requires the DA to not only maintain a database of the informants, the substance of their testimony in each case, benefits that are promised to the informant. They also have to disclose this information to criminal defense lawyers. There's no real protection on what the criminal defense lawyers can do with the information thereafter, and you can bet that they're going to keep their own database. And then finally, it requires the judge during a trial to issue an instruction to the jury to consider the benefits and all the other things that were promised to a jailhouse informant, whether it's a reduction in bail, reduction in sentence, dismissal of charges. And so this is a piece of legislation that I think will live on and on and on and will expand in future sessions. And so if you're a PD detective, if you're a robbery, a homicide detective, and you have a jailhouse informant, it's also going to be incumbent upon you to inform the district attorney of the benefits that you have promised. It's not in the bill, but it is implicit in this type of legislation because the district attorney's office, prosecutors, and law enforcement are considered one entity, one being when it comes to disclosing information relevant to a criminal case. That's AB 101, takes effect October 1st of this year. Please contact me with any questions you might have, droger@lvppa.com. Thank you and stay safe.
111, 110.